What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another exciting episode of 970 Bass Fishing. Today we're back out here at Connected Lakes for about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Try to put together a bite, see where these fish are at, see if I can find any tanks. I'm gonna throw the beaver bait for a little bit in this grass, the pegged one, and see if I can get it in front of a couple fish's face. And then in a little bit, we're gonna travel back and see if we can't find any bedfish. Maybe do a little bed fishing, because that's fun and exciting. But yeah, that's pretty much what today is going to include. We're about to deck Danny's boat too. So I'm gonna try to get a video of that. The footage that I did of mine, I did a time lapse on the GoPro, but without GoPro Studio, it just turns it into a bunch of pictures. So it didn't work. It didn't work. So we'll try to get Danny's on there, let you guys see kind of how I do it and how it works. But yeah, I don't have much time, so let's get to fishing. I'll get you guys on the chesty and we'll kind of search these grass lines out here in the open water, and then we'll go back and see if we can find any bedfish. Sound good? All right, let's do it. Peace. All right, guys, I got one already out here in the deep. I wasn't going to turn the camera on until I caught a fish, but I already did. There we go. Wow, that was fast. Right out there in the grass, guys. That was awesome. Yes. That was the first cast. Seriously, the first cast. There we go, guys. First little dink of the day. Super exciting. Super fun out here in open water. You can see kind of an opening in this grass patch here. And there he was. That was awesome. First freaking cast. I didn't even bounce it but twice. I wasn't even going to turn the camera on until I found some fish, and that one made me. I love fishing grass. I don't know if you guys can see, but like right out there, you can see one more little mat, and then it kind of ends here. So I want to fish, there's openings over there, but I want to fish in this clearer area in the weeds where it looks like it's been cleared out. That's where I think I'm going to find most of these fish, way down there in the weeds, trolling around, looking to ambush some bait. There's another one. Oh yeah, that's a good size. Whew. Yeah. Wow, that's about a 2.5 right there, spawning. Must have been down there on the, cruising around, either eating or on the bed. Dang, that's a beautiful fish. Just gave me one quick tap, and that was it. All right, there we go, guys. Fish number 2. Beautiful colors, my goodness, love it. Let's get the release. See you later, buddy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, we found him today, boys. We found him today on the beaver. Beaver. Doing a good job for us. Just fishing these little open grass areas. We've been finding more and more fish down here spawning down in these grass areas where they just clear out a big patch of grass. Every time I see a grass opening, I like to fish it out. Fish it out. What I'm really looking for, guys, is one of those fish from the Legends. One of these Connected Lakes giants. They're in here. A lot of people talk about them, but they are tricky to find. Hot, sunny days, clear water. It's blinding to these fish. So they're down here seeking refuge in the grass. Water's not really that hot, but you know, they get oxygen, they can ambush fish, they pretty much got everything they need right there in the grass. They love the grass. There's another one. Come here. Come here. Yeah, boy. Sweet. There we go, guys. A little dink. Fish number 3. I haven't even been here for freaking 20 minutes yet. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. This is why I make videos for you guys. I just love showing you these fish and where they're at. Just how much fun it is to catch them. Every bite's been like an ambush bite. It's just been boom. They come out, grab it, and run with it. And I get all my bites usually on the fall, back down, or as it just flutters through the grass, makes its way through the grass, just to fall back down, and if I dead stick it for a little bit. Yeah, it's time to switch beavers. Just these Reaction Innovations Sweet Beaver 4.20s. This is actually first time buying them. I thought I'd try them out because they looked a lot like the D-Bomb. And they work really good. There's another one. Oh, this guy's a fighter. Nice. It's a good one too. Got it right up there by his eye. Right in the roof of the mouth. There we go, guys. Fish number 4. What a beauty. They're all out here in the grass today. Alright, see you later, buddy. Sweet. Sweet, what a fun day. Just giving this thing a bounce off the bottom every 5 to 10 seconds or so. Maybe a little faster, I'm sure. There's one. All right, found him. Playing with me. Here we go. Fish number 5. There he is. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Out there in the grass. I ran over some gravel. I felt some gravel, so I just stopped and waited. And there he was. Man, that's a beautiful fish. Oh my goodness. All right. See you later, buddy. Thanks for the fight. Woohoo! This day is just getting better and better and better. They're loving this beaver. That is today's pattern, the beaver. The beaver in the grass and on sandy bottoms, because I can see the bottom here. That's gonna complete the day for me. I gotta get going home. I'm running a little late. It's kind of a pain to load and unload these boats by yourself sometimes. But yeah, it was a really great day, guys. Freaking 5 fish. Found a bed right next to the awning right there. My little boat ramp area. So that was freaking cool. I wasn't really in a position to try to catch them right there, but I did find a bed right next to the bank. I mean, right where everybody stands and walks. So that was cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the underwater footage, even though I didn't hook them. They're really beautiful to see underwater. So yeah, pattern today, guys. I figured a little bit of them out there deep in the grass relating to that structure and that cover, and just swimming around in there. And I pulled a few out with the beaver Texas rigged with the pegged weight, so that everything, my whole assembly would slide down in the weeds a little better. But yeah, that's the pattern for today. If you guys got a kayak, a boat, a little canoe or anything, and you're struggling to get a bite, just go out a little deeper. Don't be afraid to try it. I'm starting to get more confident in a little deeper water. Out here in Colorado, that's something that you don't really do a whole lot, is deeper water. So I'm starting to get a little better at it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video for the little bit of time I had out here. And as always, guys, smash that subscribe button, leave me a like. Hit that like button, make it turn blue. Turn on post notifications if you're subscribed to my channel. That way you know when all my videos come out. And yeah, we're getting in the moving swing right now, so the videos will still be a little slow, but they'll get back to regular pace once we get into the new house and all that fun stuff. A lot going on here at 970 Bass Fishing. But yeah, smash that subscribe button, leave me a like, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you want to see, let me know what you think of the videos, let me know what you want to learn about, and I'll try to put a video out there, teach you guys the way I do it and how it's worked for me, and maybe it'll be a little different than what you're doing, and it'll help you out. Alright guys, I better put on the old seatbelt and try to make it out of here in time. But as always, stay hooked and get out there and catch some big fish. Peace.